is Joe Baxter, and I will explain the introduction of step response of RC circuit. What is RC circuit? RC circuit is a circuit composed by resistor and capacitor. As you can see, the circuit over here, resistor and capacitor, and it's the simplest type of circuit. But when you add voltage source in it, it will become step response in RC circuit, because the excitation in the circuit make the sudden increase in the voltage.
Okay, based on this diagram, assume as the switch is open, there is no voltage flow throughout the circuit. So assume that the capacity of the voltage will be V0. As the switch is closed, based on this diagram, there will be voltage flow, and we will apply KCL to find the capacitor voltage. After applying the KCL, we will find this equation and we will express dV over dt in terms of this equation. Then we will integrate this equation with the initial condition and the final condition. After we integrate it, we will expand both of these conditions into the equation, and we will find this equation. Then by using algebra term, we will eventually find this equation as t increases.
My name is Kogan Chona. I will talk about the step response, the graph of it. So for this graph is the voltage versus the time. So as you can see, when the voltage source rise increase, so the capacitor will increase slowly until it reaches the certain point. And for the graph of current versus the time, the graph will be inversely proportional, as this is the voltage divided R, which is you can get from the current. And for this graph is the transient of initially charged capacitor graph. So also the voltage versus time. As you can see, also the voltage will be increased until a certain point.
Go. My name is Vitus. Now it's about capacitor in charge. If we assume that the capacitor in charge instantly, we set the V0 equal to 0. From the equation, we got this equation. We can writing out alternative as this equation. If we want to find the current across capacitor, we use IT equal to C dV over dt. From that equation, we derive that Vt. We got this answer. Finally, whether can we use this formula or this formula? As we know, when we find out, we use R equal C over R equal RC.
Okay, so my name is Todd, and now I will proceed with step response of RC circuit. So here we have an example of an RC circuit where there is a capacitor and only resistance. So we have to determine the voltage at time more than 0 and its value during time when it's 1 second and 4 seconds. So basically, when time is less than 0, the position of the switch will be at A rate, where the capacitor will be an open circuit, which this voltage will be similar to the 5 kilo ohm resistor. So we can use the voltage divider to determine the voltage of this 5 kilo ohm, which as we get here is 15 volts. So because it's parallel, the voltage here and here will be the same, which this will also make it 15 volts. So when T is more than 0, the position of this will change to B. So we can tell that the Thevenin resistance is 4 kilo ohm, which is over here. So using the concept of tau equals to RC, we can substitute the value of the capacitor and the resistor, which will give us the time constant after only 2 seconds. So with that information, we can substitute into our general formula, which will give us the V infinity, which is V source will be 30 volts, as you can see here. Then the V naught will be 15 as calculated here. So at the time constant will only be 2 seconds. So we substitute everything, we will get the value of 30 minus 15 exponent to the power of negative 0.5 T volts. So with this general equation that we can get, we can substitute the value of time equals to 1 and time equals to 4. So at 1 second, we substitute the value to the T seconds here, and we can get 20.9 volts. And if we substitute 4 seconds, we can get the value of here 0.5 times 4, which will give us 27.97 volts.
My name is Hobby Kiong. I will explain about the simulation of the step response RC circuit by using the multisim. The main purpose we we doing the simulation is to compare the calculation value and the simulation value to check whether those values are the same or not. At the initial condition for t less than 0, the switch is at position A. The voltage across the capacitor is 15 volt. When the t more than 0, the switch is in position B. During t is equal to 1 second, the voltage across the capacitor is about the 16 volt. When t is equal to 4 seconds, the voltage across the capacitor is about 26 volt. So as in the conclusion, the calculation value and the simulation value is almost the same.
My name is Yong. So I want to summarize the step response of the RC circuit. So this is the three-step method how to do the calculation for the step response of RC circuit. For the first one, this is the initial capacitor voltage V naught. For the second one is the final capacitor voltage V, DC voltage across capacitor. C is the symbol of capacitor. And the third one is the time constant. So these three, we also can call it shortcut method. This is just how we do the calculation to the step response of RC circuit. So continue to the second one. We determine the solutions we can using the formula of KCL, KVL, Ohm's law, or capacitor VNO. Okay. So for the last is the step response of RC circuit. For example, when we want to calculate the step response, we can see this one. This is just for example. If the Vt for t more than 0, that means this is what we want to determine the step response. Okay. Another one is the switch has been open for a long time and is closed at t equal to 0.
Let it go, make my body go. Make our bodies high.